Hi, my name is Gabe. In this problem, we're asked to rationalize the denominator of 5 divided by the square root of 14 minus 2. In order to rationalize the denominator of 5 divided by the square root of 14 minus 2, we'll want to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate of the denominator, square root of 14 minus 2, is square root of 14 plus 2. And like I said, we'll want to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 14 plus 2. So essentially what we're doing here is we're multiplying our fraction, 5 divided by the square root of 14 minus 2, by 1. So as we go ahead and multiply, well, we'll have to multiply the denominators. And we'll do that by using the distributive property. So in the numerator, we'll have 5 times the square root of 14 plus 2 divided by the square root of 14 times the square root of 14 plus 2 minus 2 times the square root of 14 plus 2. Well, this denominator is going to simplify, leaving us with 5 times the square root of 14 plus 2 in the numerator, and square root of 14 times 14, and the square root of 14 times the square root of 14 is 14, plus 2 times the square root of 14, minus 2 times the square root of 14, minus a 4. So what we notice is we have a plus 2 square root of 14 minus a 2 square root of 14. These will cancel, leaving us with a 5 times the square root of 14 plus 2 divided by 10. And since we have a 5 times the square root of 14 plus 2 divided by 10, this simplifies to the square root of 14 plus 2 divided by 2. Now what you'll want to notice is the denominator does not have a radical in it, so we've rationalized the denominator. Thank you.